Hello, homeowners. Are you ready to protect your home's first line of defense? Keeping a roof over your head means you have to stay on top of your roof maintenance. Your roof could last over 30 years, and since roof replacement could cost you from 10 to 15 grand, you could lengthen the life with these tips. Tip 1. Take a good look at your roof. It's time to grab those binoculars or a drone and closely examine your shingles. Look out for any missing, damaged, or curled shingles. If you spot any issues, contact your home warranty provider. Tip 2. Clean your gutters. Don't forget about your gutters. Clogged gutters can lead to water damage and costly foundation repairs. Tip 3. Trim your trees and bushes. Pruning your trees and bushes prevents algae growth on your roof. Keep branches at least 10 feet away from your roof. Tip 4. Schedule a roof inspection. To ensure the long-term health of your roof, schedule a professional inspection with your home warranty provider. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can ensure your roof is in excellent condition for the summer.